Disneyland!
In the midst of all the packing, moving, selling, we were feeling like we need some quality family time. So here we are at Disneyland!
We were really lucky because my parents have come along with us.
Yes, which has been awesome. I love having them around because they are so amazing with the girls, and I just adore seeing them as grandparents. Papa and Grandma Sue.
Yep. One of the reasons we love Disneyland is because we feel it's a great place to learn and grow and push yourself outside your comfort zone. Whether it's a ride, trying something new, like a new food, or
meeting a character, crowds, heat, exhaustion.
Oh yeah, going all day.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many opportunities to grow and push yourself.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is the best ever! Hugs are back!
Oh man, we were waiting for this.
We've been counting down the days. The moment we heard hugs were back is when we booked a trip.
Yep.
My mama heart has just been bursting all week, seeing my girls hug all these characters and the interactions. It has just been so cute. Yeah? When Scout saw Minnie Mouse and she started squealing. It was the cutest thing.
Scout loves Minnie and seeing her in person.
I can't decide who Davey was most excited about, but I think it might have been Spider-Man.
It was probably Spider-Man. We're at Disneyland with Spidey. And she was just grinning from ear to ear like the whole time, being like, I'm with Spider-Man. I'm with Spider-Man right here, right now.
Spider-Man was very sweet.
We didn't notice this as it was happening, but after the fact.
I was looking through our pictures of all of us with Spider-Man. All of a sudden, I noticed Davey is holding
his hand.
Hi, Tinkerbell!
Tinkerbell has also been one of our favorites recently, especially because she is also a twin.
Yep.
And we love reminding Davey and Scout they're twins.
Did you meet Tinkerbell? Yeah, what did you... We did a character breakfast. I can't recommend those enough. Sometimes the food isn't the best, but the character interactions, amazing. They spent a ton of good quality time with our kids. Like, we would get 5 minutes with each character and they would hug our girls and
interact with them and like look at their stuffed animal friend.
Davey was losing it with excitement when Dale started playing with her Maymay and then grabbed Scout's Maymay and was like playing with them, and Davey thought it was the best thing ever.
Say hi to me.
Pooh Bear. They also got to see Winnie the Pooh, which is one of their favorites. Mary from Cinderella was there, the mouse. She was so sweet, and the girls literally sat on her lap. I mean, I would say a good few minutes. She just sat there hugging them, and Davey and Scout were just so content and happy and just laying there. Who do you want to come say hi?
Daisy.
Daisy? Oh, yay! What'd you get?
That muffin.
Part of Disneyland will light up with the magic of the Main Street Electrical Parade.
Parades are back!
Oh man, everything that like makes Disneyland Disneyland is back.
Which is the best. And out of all parades, the Electric Light Parade. Jacob, do you remember the electric light parade as a child?
Yes, I do. I remember once I was on the people mover and the electric light parade tripped a circuit or something, and so my people mover stopped working and we had to evacuate.
As they were getting ready for the parade, they had blocked off the streets where you couldn't like walk through them and stuff anymore. And all of a sudden, Scout goes out in the middle of the street and then she puts her leg up like she's doing a trick. And then Davey started going and joining in the fun and doing tricks too. And I kept thinking, I really need to get the girls signed up for dance classes or theater, something like that.
I am so excited.
I cried at the parade. I always cry at the parades, and then seeing my kids experience a parade for the first time, and then the lights, and it was just the music. Everything about the electric light parade is so magical. I would be so curious to know what was going on in their heads during this moment, because they were just so excited and then just had these faces of awe. As much as I wanted to watch the parade,
I just kept
I
watching.
just watching Davey and Scout's faces. That's all I wanted to see was their faces.
Is this just the best?
So magical!
I think Davey and Scout are loving this, but I'm losing my voice from yelling so much.
The turtle's my favorite.
They like
And-
the snail. Scout really liked the snail.
So excited. Kept talking about the snail for days. And they loved Peace Dragon. All the smoke coming out. I missed the American flag at the end. That
used
was
to
a
have
new
it, yeah.
update on the parade. But I loved how they made it like inclusive to the whole
More
world
international.
and international as well, making it's a small world, and I thought that was a cute way to end the show.
I have another one. Thank you.
Yowdy!
The rocket during the entire flight.
Look, you get to control the lever right here. Put your hand right here and go up. Woohoo! Go, Scouty, go!
So we've been to Disneyland a few times with the girls, but it's just fun to see them get more confident and be more brave on going on rides, holding on to things by themselves.
Pull it up and down. It will make Dumbo go up and down.
Kelsey, I want donuts, please.
Oh, donut, please.
What do you think? Is it a cookie donut?
We're gonna go on the choo-choo
Remember
train.
to watch your
Here's our
children.
crew. Are you so excited? We're gonna go on the train.
Bienvenidos.
Davey, are you ready?
Ready for the train?
So exciting. On the rides, we would hold our girls super close to us, and it was fun to see them get more brave as the week went on, and how they would be like, scoot over, I want to do this by myself, and they wanted to hold on to the side.
Are we ready to paddle?
Yeah!
Good, that's all we do. Let's do it all together as a family.
Way to go, Scout. Good job, everyone. That looks so good. Paddle, dude, paddle.
Okay.
Hi, scoobers!
All right, good job, guys.
This is the best ride in Disneyland.
Thank you, thank you. I agree, but they also pay me, so.
At Carnation Cafe, the girls figured out that they love salt and pepper.
Yeah.
They literally were doing like shots of salt and pepper. They would put it in their hand
So gross.
and then they would like lick it off.
Do you like pepper, Scout? Oh, I'm good, thank you. All for you.
Got your napkin all ready for mac and cheese. How's the fried pickle?
Oh, that's quite a kid's meal.
Davey, how was your meal?
We went on the carousel over and over and over. Davey and Scout just loved it. It's fun now that the girls like want to pick out which horse or which animal, and they get excited about that.
Pirate boat. Here
Yeah,
we go.
I've never been on this before, although Kelsey thinks I have, so I might have.
I swear I've gone with you. Hold on to the boat right there. We're going! Yay!
Hey, Scout's gonna ring it. Ring it. Okay, good job. So savage.
You got baby! Baby!
We love walking through the gift shops, especially on a hot day, because it's just a nice way to get a break
off.
and cool off. And as we were walking through, Davey spotted something. She found a Maymay robe
And of course, she is obsessed.
and wanted to put it on right away.
Because in the movie, Maymay turns into a red panda, and so in her mind, she was turning into a red panda.
Davey did not want to take this robe off. So we got Scout one too. Scout doesn't love hers as much, but
She still wore it though the whole day, and they had a fun time. But yeah,
Davey
Davey's
wore it for
sleeping
every day after, wanted to sleep in it, wanted to wear it all the time.
Oh, interesting dip. I wonder how that's gonna taste.
I think it's yogurt.
Yummy.
I've seriously never seen lines like this in Storybook and all over. It is so packed and crowded. I think everyone's so excited about the hugs and parades being back.
Hi! Beautiful Thank you! Come on in up to 6 for
Cup time!
Should we spin this? Should we go fast or slow? Whoa!
Hands up! Want a lick? Oh yeah, hold on. Lick. I'm pretty sure the girls' new favorite food is ice cream.
Yeah, they used to not like it or care about it, but after
They would
this
never
trip-
have it. Like literally Jake and I were like, this is the best. We'll just eat this ice cream cone ourselves.
No, this time they definitely they liked it, and they are eating so much ice cream on this
We
trip.
went
Kitty some, okay?
Howdy!
Baby do.
Holy
Ron
smokes!
Gators. Are you excited? Yeah, I'm excited too.
Oh, here we go. We're spinning. That's how she makes them.
How's that teeter toe? Is it yummy? Open it, open it.
Jake, you're wearing a tiki room shirt.
You're right.
Perfect.
Thank you, Mommy.
Hi.
Baby, he's been waiting and so excited.
Dance party. Scout
The
loved
best.
it. Oh,
Oh, the best. I have never seen Scout shake her booty so much. I mean, dancing out of control. So excited. Vampirina was there.
And-
Mickey and the Roadster. McStuffin.
all these Disney shows that they've watched seeing in real life.
And then at the end of the show, it's amazing because they have tons of different things that fall from the ceiling. They have bubbles and snow and streamers and confetti, and it is a hit. The girls put on my lipstick. Looking so nice.
Look, we got some dinner.
There was a hand sanitizing station right next to where we were eating, and so Davey kept saying,
Papa, looking for my stepdad.
and then all of a sudden a lady was walking by, and she literally just like stood there frozen, and then right after she ran right back over.
Mickey.
Packing up, loading up, going on a trip to Disneyland. Can
Driving
be-
12 hours to get there. Nap schedules being thrown off, bedtime being thrown off.
Staying at a hotel where it's new and different.
But in the end, it is always worth it, and we're so grateful for the time we get to spend together as a family, creating those new memories and remembering old ones too.
Yep.
Come here, this way.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining us and hanging with the Bangs.
Bye.